Hi YouTube family, you're back with Eternal Jess, and I'm going to be showing you how I make my seamoss face scrub. Now this seamoss face scrub is so amazing. Like, it's good for dry skin, it's good for dark spots, it's good to even out your skin tone, and it also acts as a skin collagen because that's what seamoss does. So you are going to need 5 products. You're going to need your seamoss gel, your turmeric, your brown sugar, your honey, and your coconut oil. Don't forget your glass bowl and your spoon. All right, so first we're going to start off with your brown sugar. We're going to pour a little bit of this in here. Not too much. That's about a cup. Then we're going to add our seamoss gel. Just a little bit. All right, now we're going to mix that up. And as you can see, it's getting kind of mushy. The seamoss is absorbing the sugar. All right, now if it gets too like wet and you want it more kind of dry, then you can just add more sugar. But this is kind of like the texture that I like it because it goes on the face really smooth. So there's that. And now I'm gonna add in the turmeric. So you don't want to add too much because you don't want your face to be turning yellow, so, or orange. So we're gonna mix that in. And that's how it should look. Turn to the little orange, makes it a little darker. All right. Now we're gonna put in our honey. All right, now we put in our honey. I'm just gonna mix it. That's the consistency. Now, if you don't like this, then you can add more sugar. I'm just gonna add a little bit more because it's kind of watery, kind of runny. So you just add more sugar. So gotta mix that. All right, and then it looks like that. Now we're going to add in our coconut oil. And we definitely don't want a lot of this. We're just going to add just a little bit. That's enough to keep our face moisturized and not too oily. All right, that's the consistency. That's what it's going to look like. I'm going to pour this in here. Now, like I said, if it's too watery for you, then you can just add more sugar. The sugar will make it more of a drier scrub. The sugar, if you add more sugar, to make it a drier scrub, but this is the consistency that I like it, and this is how I make mine. But you guys are free to make yours however you want. All right, so then you just wet your face, and then you just apply it, and then you just kind of rub it in, and then just drench your face with water, rinse it off, and you're good to go. And this is also edible. So it's safe for the kids. So there's how I make my seamoss face scrub. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Everything that I used will be linked down in the description box. And I'll be back next week with another video on how I make one of my seamoss products. Bye. Also, if you want to purchase some of my products, if you don't feel like making them yourself, then you can go on my website at www.eternalohs.com, and you'll find the face scrub, body scrubs, have bath salts. Like, I make a lot of stuff, and I really enjoy making this stuff. So I wanted to bring these videos to you guys so you guys can see how I make this stuff, and you guys can make it for yourself because it's very fun and I love doing it. So, all right, I'll see you guys later.